So good morning, everyone. Again, good morning. And 12th class accountancy, chapter 3, goodwill, nature and valuation, and the last method, capitalization method. In this method, there are further two sub-methods. Already we have done average profit method, simple average method, and weighted average profit method, and super profit method, capitalization method. In this method, further there are two parts. First is the capitalization of super profits. Second is the capitalization of average profits. So first we will do capitalization of super profit, then we will start with capitalization of average profit. So I am going to write the steps. So steps of capitalization of super profits. First step is find super profits. So for finding super profits, all the steps will remain same as I told you yesterday. What were the steps for finding super profits? Let's do a recap. First step was find out normal profits. Second step was find out actual or average profit. Third step was find out super profit, and how the super profit is calculated. Actual or average profits minus normal profits. Very good. So by using this formula, by using these steps, we can find out super profit. So first step of capitalization of super profit is just find out super profits. Second step, find goodwill. It's a very simple and short method. If you are able to find out super profit, then easily you can do this method. Find goodwill. So for finding goodwill, you need to apply the formula. Write down super profit into 100 upon capitalize rate of normal returns. It will be given in the question, rate of normal returns. So why this method is known as capitalization? Because here super profit is capitalized. Whenever we are reversing the rate, then it means we are capitalizing. So super profit into 100 upon rate of normal returns is known as goodwill, calculated by using capitalization of super profit. As the name implies, capitalization of super profit. So first we need to calculate super profit, then we will be capitalizing it. And what we will be doing to capitalize it, super profit into 100. You need to reverse the rate of return. Earlier we were writing rate upon 100. Now you need to write 100 upon rate of normal returns. And in this manner, you can find out the answer. Answer will be the goodwill. Here you can notice one thing, that in all previous methods, to find out goodwill, what we did, average profit or super profit multiplied by number of year of purchase. So in this method, number of years of purchase will not be used. Yes, Shubhangi, the rate of the return will be used same, which you have used to calculate normal profit. One rate will be given in the question. That rate will be used two times. First for finding out normal profits, then for capitalizing the super profit. Same rate will be used two times. Okay. So sometime in question, only it is mentioned that find out the value of goodwill. Method is not mentioned. So on the basis of information given, you need to find out that which method you can apply. Like if in the question, number of years of purchase are not given. So in that case, you cannot apply average profit method, weighted average profit method, or super profit method, because in all those three methods, you need number of years of purchase. So this is the method, capitalization method, in which number of years of purchase are not required. Okay, so directly you can find out the value of goodwill by using this formula. So what is the formula? Again, I'm telling you, step 1, find out super profit. Step 2, find out goodwill. How to find out goodwill? Super profit into 100 upon rate of normal returns. Okay, let's do one or two questions. Wait a minute. Yes, this is the formula which I have already introduced. Capital employed. Again, you will be in need of capital employed. So in same manner, you will be finding out capital employed, which I told you yesterday while explaining super profit method. Total assets minus liabilities, super profit, actual profits minus normal profits, goodwill, super profit into 100 upon rate of normal profit. So let's do one question using this method. The following information relates to the partnership firm. Profits for the last years: 96, 80,000, 97, 1 lakh, 98, 2 lakh, 99, 1 lakh 50,000, 2,270. If there is any adjustment relating to any capital expenditure treated as revenue, any non-recurring expense, any future expense, any future income, then all those treatment or adjustments will be done like we have understood. So average capital employed, it is already given. Capital employed is already given to you. So rate of normal profit is also given 20%, and method is also mentioned. You can see that in this question, number of years of purchase are not given. So find the value of goodwill on the basis of capitalization of super profits. So capitalization of super profits means first find out average profits. We will be doing all the steps. First find out average or normal. Any one of these two you can find out. It's not compulsory that at first step you need to find out normal profit, or at first step you need to find out average profits. Any one of both you can find out average profit. So for finding out average, we need to add all the year's profit. 80,000 plus 1 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 1.5 lakh plus 2.7 lakh divided by how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total of all these profit is 2 plus 1, 3 lakh, 3 plus 1, 4 lakh 50,000, 6 lakh 50,000, 8 lakh. 8 lakh is the total profit upon 5. So the average profits are 1 lakh 60,000. This is the step 1 answer, average profit. Now do the step 1. In step 2, finding out normal profits. Normal profit. Write the formula: capital employed into rate upon 100. So what is the capital employed? 5 lakh into rate. What is the rate? 20% upon 100. So yes, wait a minute. Yes, 50,000, 5 lakh into 20 upon 100, which is equal to 1 lakh. So this is the answer of step 2. Now step 3, find out super profits. Super profits are equal to average profits minus normal profits. So 1 lakh 60,000 minus 1 lakh. So step 3 answer is 60,000 rupees, 60,000. This is step 3 answer. Now do the step 4, find out goodwill. For goodwill, super profit into rate upon 100. Super profit into rate upon 100. Okay, so super profits are 60,000 into rate, it's 100 upon rate. Reciprocal we need to do. 60,000 into 100 upon rate. So tell me the answer, please, if you have solved it. Yes, very good, Shubhangi, Varun, Khushi, very good, everyone. Yes, its answer is, and every time for every step, you need to write the answer in caption, in a box, for the better clarity of the examiner. Okay, otherwise examiner may have to put efforts to search for the answer. If you are writing the answers, stepwise answers in a box, in a caption, then it will be easy for the examiner as well as for you. And every time when you are writing the answer, you have to write the unit. Okay, rupees. Rupees is must to write, otherwise 1 mark may be deducted. Okay, let's do one more question. Now you can write the question. Wait a minute. One more question we will be doing based on this method. Average profits of the firm is, wait a minute. Yes, J and K are partners in a firm. J and K, partners in a firm, and their capital is given. Capital of J, yes, capital of J rupees 3 lakh and capital of K rupees 2 lakh. And during the year, firm earned a profit. It means actual profits are given, not the average. Earned profits. During the year, firm earned profits rupees 1,50,000. Okay. Normal rate of return is given. Normal rate of return. You can start doing 20%. And value of goodwill you need to calculate by using super profit method first. Super profit method, 2 methods I am giving you. 2 years purchase is also given. Okay. Number of year of purchase is 2 years purchase. So what to do? You need to calculate goodwill by using super profit method first. Second, by using capitalization of super profit method. So I'm waiting for your answer. Very good, very fast. Yes, very good, Saksham. Yes. Super profit. First of all, you need to calculate goodwill by using super profit method. Okay. So the capital invested here is 3 lakh, J's capital and K's capital 2 lakh. So the total capital investment here is 5 lakh. So first of all, we need to calculate normal profits. First step, 5 lakh into rate. What is the rate? 20%. So the answer is 1 lakh. Normal profits are of rupees 1 lakh. Then second step, find out actual or average profit, which is already given. 1,50,000 is the actual or average profit. Yes, very good. Third step, find out super profit. So super profit is actual profits are given here, 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh, which is equal to 50,000. This is the super profit. Now find out goodwill by using super profit method. So the goodwill is super profit into number of years of purchase. Number of year of purchase is 2. So the answer is rupees 1 lakh. This is your first answer. Yes. Priyanshi, Anmol, Khushi, Varun. Varun, your answer is incorrect, beta. And rest others answers are very much correct. Parth, very good. Please do efforts for finding out answers. If you want to have the clarity of the concept, then simultaneous practice is required. Okay. Then find out the second method. Second method is capitalization of super profit method. All these steps we have already done. So for finding out goodwill by using capitalization of super profit method, we just need to use the formula super profit into 100 upon rate. So the super profits are 1 lakh into 100 upon rate. Rate is 20%. So the answer is 5 lakh. 20% is the rate. Oh, sorry, it's goodwill. 100, 1 lakh is goodwill. So the super profits are 50,000. super profits are 50,000 into 100 upon 20. So the answer will be 2,50,000 rupees. 2,50,000. Yes, very good, everyone. All those who have given me answer. Harshita, Anmol, Vaibhav, Thira. Thira, your answer is incorrect. Toshit, correct. Yes, Varun Bhatia, correct. Yes, I hope I'm clear with the topic. Please tell me, is this topic is clear to you all? Yes.